Hey everyone, this is Shriya Tamang. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your profile on DLSurf. So let's get started. Once you log in to your DLSurf dashboard, look at the top right corner. You'll see your username there. Click on it and then select Manage My Profile. Now, click on the Edit Profile button. Here, you'll see a bunch of options you can fill out. You can add or change your profile picture. Then, update your basic info like your name, username, phone number, and country. You'll also see a place to add your bio and social media links like Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube so people can connect with you. Once you have added all the info you want, just click save and you are done. And that's it. A complete profile helps your followers to know you better. So make sure that it looks good. See you in the next video. Thank you.